Welcome to Church Services. Church Services is the ultimate solution to connect your church members and bridge the gap between leaders, volunteers, admins, and congregants. Church Services is a cloud-based solution which works in any language, for any time zone, to support any church size for any denomination around the globe. Whether it be a megachurch or a small-sized church, we've got you covered. It can work as a desktop application on Mac or Windows, as a web-based application, and as a standalone app on both Android and iOS mobile devices. Unlike many other tools in the market, this is an extremely user-friendly platform which is designed to be used by everybody equally, whether it be a leader, an admin, or even a non-tech savvy member. The app will be branded with church name and logo. The church members can create accounts, update profiles, add household members and define relationships, sign up for events, do self-check-in, join groups they are interested, or accept group invitations. Group admins can create departments and supergroups. They can also set up public, private, or virtual groups. Define a group scope, assign leaders, members to those groups, or send invitations. They can also promote members, groups, or even an entire department with one single click. Group admins and leaders can review, join requests, look up group members, limit search scope, view profiles, change primary contact persons for young children, communicate with their group via text, email, or by phone call. They can also check in members to group-specific events. Event organizers can create events, set up reoccurrence, define capacity, restrict attendance to a certain gender, type, group, or department. They can also set up pre-reserved seats. They can limit attendance to church members, require registration or allow walk-in. Not only can admins do everything mentioned so far, but also they can set up service categories, locations, and assign user roles. They can also create registration policies where they can set up rules of attendance like frequencies and alternatives. This has been very helpful to churches during COVID times. With a communication privilege, you can send a church-wide text or email. You can also create templates to be used by yourself or others. Add merge tags to personalize it. The system makes it very easy by a single click to communicate with all the members who are registered or absent for a certain event. Attendance viewers and group leaders can review people's history of activities and easily pull up who haven't attended a specific service for a long time. Then, they can easily communicate with them. You can use the advanced filters to limit your scope of search to a certain criteria. Church services currently run successfully in many churches to different sizes and time zones. At any time, if you see that you have any questions or need any assistance, remember that we are here to help.